Reclaimed asphalt pavement is sourced from older, weathered, and worn roadway surfaces. Because of this, the materials in the wrap, particularly the bitumen, age and lose some of their chemical and physical properties. As the binder oxidizes over time, the material can become brittle. This is what causes the roadway performance to fail. To reuse wrap in a balanced mix design that meets high-performance specifications, an effective asphalt rejuvenator must be added to the mix. This additive helps to restore the functional properties of the aged bitumen and induces performance similar to the virgin binder. It also helps to provide compactability for stiff, high-wrap mixes. Finally, and most crucially, it helps maintain the durability characteristics of the mix so that a roadway made with high wrap content is able to last for a satisfactory lifetime.